other dogs in Girls Court London in the month of November every year, because under the one roof for 2 days they have over 200 different types of dogs. And the next thing is, you can have them all for free.
On your feet. Good. Circle. Circle. Thank you. Circle. I didn't ask that. Back up. Good boy. And sit. So he sits up. He says hello. He says waving. He says give me some sausage. I'm waving. I'm saying please. Say please. Good boy. Oh, he's also doing a little bit of a stand up there.